your water, bitch.
Oo. Anyways.
So, paano serve ko?
Patingin ang serve mo.
Sorry, hindi ko nakita.
Binabastos mo ang coach mo.
Hindi ko nakita.
Ay, hindi mo ako nakita. Okay.
Drink your water, bitch!
Dinosaur ka, girl. Tik-tik ka, girl. Tik-tik part 2 ka, girl. Si Minion pala kung ano ba yun?
What do you think of the Minions outfits?
They're puppets.
They are puppets! And you wear what are you gonna dress up as this year for Halloween? Any ideas?
A joke?
If you were to dress up as a witch, I want to hear your best witch's tackle. Some. Alright? 3, 2, 1.
Drink your water, bitch.
Actually, hindi ko rin nakikita yung pagkakaiba namin ni Heart eh. Kasi kung anong meron si Heart, parang meron din naman ako. Good heart.
Drink your water, bitch.
Remember the child and the angel as we speak. Ay, selling gifts, exchanging car. Let's light our Christmas trees for the last tomorrow. Tomorrow will always a day.
Drink your water, bitch.
We are rinsing our face. Sige, next question.
Drink your water, bitch.
Whatever happens, don't open your eyes. Girl, boy, where are you? Girl, boy, yeah.
Drink your water, bitch.
So, meron po tayo itong cooking show na ma-update niya po yung tao. Mamaya, nabili niya yung adobo. Oh, yeah!
Drink your water, bitch.
Represent! Gang, gang! BB, fuck it up! BB, fuck it up! Hey! That's my girl up in here! Hey!
Drink your water, bitch.
Na me, sigo, shibo. Every night in my dreams, I see you, I feel you.
Drink your water, bitch.
Remember the children, and the children remembers me. Hey! Bachelor of Science, major in historiasis. Nani?
Drink your water, bitch.
Tamad ka, girl.
Drink your water, bitch.
Tayo yung practicing natin together, ha? Yung practicing daw natin yung mimi. Napansin nyo? Parang gumaling din ako sa pagkanta.
Drink your water, bitch.
Internalizationistic. Ang mundo. Ang mundo ay isang malaking kiyapan. Maraming structure. Maaagawan ka, lumaban ka.
Drink your water, bitch.
Lumabas na po kayo dyan. Nangangaroling po. Namamas ko po. Nangangaroling po. Namamas ko po. Wala. Sabi ko na nga ba, kung sa kabilang kanto tayo nung bahay namin ng Halloween, meron ako agad 20 pesos.
Drink your water, bitch.
Wait. Hey.
Drink your water, bitch.
Single. Hey, single. Hey, single. Hey, single.
Drink your water, bitch.
Ma, I'm sorry, ma. Ayan. Hey, lucky star, let's go. Lucky star, lucky star, Pero alam niyo, hindi pa ako nakontak ng Lucky Star.
Drink your water, bitch.
I got you, moms. I love moms. We love moms. I got you, moms.
Drink your water, bitch.
NBSP. joke. I'm happy with myself. I'm happy being single. I'm okay. I'm fine. I don't need you guys. I don't need anyone. I'm fine with my... I'm fine. I'm super fine, bitch. Ayaw mo na.
Think you're water, bitch.
Tadaan. 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 Tadaan.
Think you're water, bitch.
Oh, alam mo na, kabahan ka na. Mawawala ka ng trabaho.
Think you're water, bitch.
Ano ba?
Think you're water, bitch. Think you're water, bitch.
So part po talaga na adventure na ito, ang tatao po ang bangko.
Girl, you gotta stop playing that shit is out.
Thank you po. Wonderful, I love it. 20 pesos po. Ang laki-laki ng bahay na 20 pesos po ang bibigay na sa akin.
Think you're water, bitch.
Masyado close.
Ikaw ba rin palang hanap-hanap para pa?
Think you're water, bitch. Think you're water, bitch.
You all be sleeping on me. Sino ba may kaya ng diba? Si Mimia lang ang may kaya ng ganyan. Opo, tumingin kayo sa Google. I-search nyo yung wala kayong mahanap. I'm the next big thing here in the music industry. Batang pasabayan. Diba? Oh. Mimia lang yan.
Think you're water, bitch.
What? Motivational speaker. Hello, Love Radio. Nakakaloka yung thumbnail ko. Okay, let's go. Fire emoji. Dito ka! Kinakain mo yung kulangot mo nung bata ka pa. Sino bang hindi? Diba? Ang sarap kayo. Nani! Because you know, we want to talk. Wanna fight me? Wanna fight me?
Drink your water, bitch.
Mimi, yeah. Gang, represent TBS pa rin mga Chucky, yeah. Exit. Hindi ginagawa mo.